What if I told you, right this very moment, space itself is rippling around you? Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But it's real, and these ripples are called gravitational waves. They're so elusive that for decades we only theorized about their existence. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know the incredible story of how these invisible giants were finally found and why they're revolutionizing our understanding of the universe. The story of gravitational waves begins with Albert Einstein over a century ago. In 1916, Einstein's general theory of relativity predicted that massive objects like black holes or neutron stars don't just sit in space, they warp it. And when these colossal objects move, they create ripples in the fabric of spacetime, much like a pebble tossed into a pond. These ripples are what we call gravitational waves, but detecting them? That's where things get tricky. For decades, scientists tried to hunt for these cosmic ripples, but gravitational waves are unbelievably faint. By the time they reach Earth, they've traveled billions of light years and stretched space-time by only a fraction of the width of an atom. Imagine looking for a needle in a haystack, but the needle is invisible, and the haystack is the entire universe. Fast forward to September 14th, 2015. That's the day humanity's quest to uncover gravitational waves finally paid off. The twin detectors of the LIGO Observatory, one in Washington State and the other in Louisiana, caught the faintest signal. It wasn't just any noise, it was the exact frequency scientists had been hoping to hear. Two black holes, each about 30 times the mass of our sun, had collided over 1 billion years ago, sending ripples racing across spacetime until they reached Earth. This groundbreaking discovery was announced in 2016 and earned its team the Nobel Prize in Physics. Pretty cool, right? Now here's why gravitational waves are such a big deal. For centuries, we've studied the cosmos through light, right from visible stars to X-rays. But light can be absorbed, blocked, or scattered. Gravitational waves are different. They carry pure information, untouched by anything they pass through. It's like listening to the universe's heartbeat directly. And there's more. With new detections rolling in, we've learned that some of these waves come from neutron star collisions, revealing how heavy elements like gold and platinum are forged. They're even giving us clues about enigmatic dark energy. So why does this matter to you? Because gravitational waves open an entirely new window to the universe. Every ripple carries secrets from cosmic events we could never observe otherwise. It's a thrilling reminder that the universe is still full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Click the link in the description to get started today.